guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I am in my son Cairo's room. And what I wanted to talk about was, don't you hate when you have a rug on top of a rug and it gets like all bunched up like this, and every time you walk on it, it gathers and everything? Well, as you can see, that side of the rug is straight, and the way that I accomplished this was with some simple carpet tape. I bought this roll, it's almost gone now, but I bought this roll at Home. I'm sure they have it on Amazon and Walmart and those different places. And it's basically sticky on both sides. And what I did was, on that side, I just kind of flipped the rug over, and see, I have it right here on this hem. I just simply took the tape off of the wrapper, placed it along the edge of the rug of where I wanted to secure it, down like this, and I did it on both sides. It's really simple to adhere to whatever kind of rug that you want to secure. Once you get it on there the way you want, you pull the rug in place like so, stretch it out, and firmly press it down. And now you can walk on it, he can play on it, he doesn't have to worry about tripping when the rug gathers because I have secured it on all the corners. It looks clean, stays clean, which is key for me, as you know. And it just is a really simple way to secure it. It doesn't damage the rug or anything like that. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.